Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how can you flip camera while video recording on iPhone camera. If you're using any iPhone and now you want to flip your camera while you're recording any video, so let's see how can you do that. And default iPhone camera app, there is no any option in video recording to flip your camera. You can see there's a camera flipper, but once you have started your video recording, the camera flipper has been disabled. So let's see in this case how can you easily flip your camera while video recording. So now to do that, you have to simply install the third party application for this. So you have to open up your app store, and here you have to install this app. As I have already installed the app, just tap on open to open the app, and here you have to select the video section, or you can do more settings from here. Once you have all settings, simply tap on this video option, and here select and start video recording. Once you have started video recording, you'll get the camera flipper here. You have to simply tap on it and it will flip camera. So in this way, you can easily flip your camera while recording any video on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.